And in today's lesson, we'll learn about numerical problems of unit number 5, gravitation. So the first numerical is find the force of attraction between two spheres, each of mass 1000 kg. The distance between the centers of the spheres is 0.5 meter. In this numerical, we have given the masses of sphere and both the spheres have the same mass, that is 1000 kg. So we can write m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 1000 kg. Besides, we have given the distance between the centers, that is 0.5 meters, and we know that the value of gravitational constant is 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर. बच्चों, आपने न्यूमेरिकल के गिवन डाटा में जो क्वांटिटीज़ लिखनी है उनके यूनिट्स लाजमी मेंशन करने हैं. और अगर किसी क्वांटिटी का यूनिट एसआई यूनिट में नहीं गिवन है तो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इन दी एसआई यूनिट. We have to find the gravitational force in this numerical, and for this we will use the law of gravitation, that is F is equal to G m1 into m2 over d square. After inserting the values, we will get 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 into 1000 divided by 0.5 square. So by solving this expression, we will get the final answer, that is force is equal to 2.67 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Newton. The second numerical is the gravitational force between two identical lead spheres kept at 1 meter apart is 0.006673 Newton. Find their masses. In this numerical, we have given the gravitational force 0.006673 Newton. We know the value of gravitational constant, that is 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton per meter square per kg square. And we have also given the distance between the masses, that is 1 meter. We need to find the masses. जैसा कि स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है कि दोनों स्फीयर्स आइडेंटिकल हैं तो दोनों के masses भी सेम होंगे. That is why we have write m1 is equal to m2. Now we will use the law of gravitation, that is F is equal to G m1 m2 over d square. जैसा कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया कि दोनों masses आइडेंटिकल हैं, इसी वजह से हम m1 और m2 को m से रिप्लेस कर देंगे और हमारी इक्वेशन बन जाएगी F is equal to G m into m over d square. M into m is equal to m square, so our equation becomes F is equal to g m square over d square. चूंकि हमने mass की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, so equation को रीअरेंज करेंगे and we get m square is equal to F into d square over. Inserting the values, we get 0.006673 multiplied by 1 square divided by 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Solving this expression, we get m square is equal to 10 raised to power 8. And after taking the under root, we get m is equal to 10 raised to power 4 kg. That is, m is equal to 10,000 kg. It means m1 is equal to 10,000 kg and m2 is also equals to 10,000 kg. Now the third numerical is find the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Mars. The mass of Mars is 6.42 into 10 raised to power 23 kg and its radius is 3370 kilometer. We have given the mass of Mars and we denote it with capital M with subscript small m, which is equal to 6.42 into 10 raised to power 23 kg. We have given the radius of Mars Rm, which is equals to 3370 किलोमीटर. बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हो कि किलोमीटर ऐसा यूनिट नहीं है, इसलिए हमें इसे मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, जिसके लिए हमें इसे 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. And after multiplication, we get 3.37 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. We need to find the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars, gm. For this, we will use the formula of gravitational acceleration, that is gm is equal to gmm over rm square. Inserting the values, we get gm is equal to 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by 6.42 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 3.37 into 10 raised to power 6 का whole square. Solving this expression, we get the value of gravity on the surface of Mars to be 3.77 meter per second square. Now the fourth one is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Moon is 1.62 meter per second square. The radius is 1740 kilometer. Find the mass of the Moon. So we have given the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Moon, gm is equal to 1.62 meter per second square. Also we have given the radius of the Moon, that is 1740 kilometer. Again, the radius is in kilometers, so we need to convert it in meters by multiplying it with 1000. So we get 1.74 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. Besides, we have to find the mass of the moon in this numerical. इसके लिए हम ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन वाला फार्मूला ही यूज़ करेंगे जो कि हमने प्रीवियस न्यूमेरिकल में यूज़ किया था, विच इज़ gm इज इक्वल टू gmm ओवर rm स्क्वायर. फार्मूला का रीअरेंज करेंगे क्योंकि हमने मास की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. By rearranging the formula, we get mm is equal to gm into rm square divided by g. And after inserting the values and solving the expression, we get the mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 raised to power 22 kg. Now the fifth numerical is calculate the value of a g at a height of 3600 km above the surface of the earth. Students, जैसा कि आप जानते हो कि अर्थ की सरफेस पे g की वैल्यू 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है, लेकिन जैसे हम अर्थ की सरफेस से किसी हाइट पे जाते जाएं तो जी की वैल्यू डिक्रीज करती जाती है. तो हमें हाइट की वैल्यू गिवन है, दैट इज़ 3600 किलोमीटर, और हमने इस हाइट पे जी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो द हाइट इज़ गिवन इन किलोमीटर्स एंड वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इन मीटर्स बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद 1000. So we get 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. Also we know that the value of mass of earth is given as 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. And we need to find the gravitational acceleration at some height. For this, we will use the formula of gravitational acceleration at some height, which is gh is equal to gme over r plus h square. Inserting the values, we get 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by 6 into 10 raised to power 24 divided by 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 whole square. Solving this expression, we get the value of gravitational acceleration at the height of 3600 km is 4 meter per second square. Now the sixth numerical is find the value of g due to the earth at geostationary satellite. The radius of geostationary orbit is 48,700 kilometers. तो बच्चों, इस numerical में एक geostationary satellite है जो कि अर्थ के इर्द गिर्द रिवॉल्व कर रही है. अब उन्होंने ये पूछा है कि जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट जिस हाइट पे मौजूद है उस हाइट पे जी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. इसके अलावा जियो स्टेशनरी ऑर्बिट का रेडियस भी गिवन है, दैट इज़ 48,700 किलोमीटर्स. As the radius is given in kilometers, so after converting it in meters, we get 4.87 into 10 raised to power 7 meters. So we need to find the gravitational acceleration, and for this we will use the formula of gravitational acceleration, which is g is equal to gme over r square. Inserting the values, we get g is equal to 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by 6 into 10 raised to power 24 divided by 4.87 into 10 raised to power 7 whole square. Solving this expression, we get the value of g is equal to 0.17 meter per second square. Now the seventh numerical is the value of g is 4 meter per second square at a distance of 10,000 km from the center of the earth. Find the mass of the earth. इस numerical में हमें given है कि अर्थ के सेंटर से लेके 10,000 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस पे g की वैल्यू 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है और हमने अर्थ का mass find out करना है. So for this we will write the data, and we have given gravitational acceleration g is equal to 4 meter per second square. Radius of earth is 10,000 kilometer, and after converting it in meters we get 10 raised to power 7 meters. We need to find the mass of earth, and for this we will use the formula me is equal to gr square over g. After inserting the values, we get 4 into 10 raised to power 7 whole square divided by 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11. After solving the expression, we get mass of earth is equal to 5.99 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. And by rounding off the number, we get mass of earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Now the eighth one is at what altitude the value of g would become 1/4 than on the surface of the earth. तो बच्चों, इस न्यूमेरिकल में ये पूछा गया है कि किस हाइट पे, यानी कि अर्थ की सरफेस से कितनी हाइट पे g की वैल्यू अर्थ की सरफेस का 1/4 हो जाएगी. For this, first we have to write the given data, that is mass of earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Radius of earth is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. And gravitational acceleration at some height, which is given as 1/4 into g. यानी कि सरफेस पे जितनी gravitational acceleration की वैल्यू होती है उसका 1/4. So as you know that the value of g at the surface of earth is 10 meter per second square. So we get 1/4 into 10 meter per second square, and we get 2.5 meter per second square. We need to find the height above earth's surface. For this, we will use the formula of gravitational acceleration at some height, which is gh is equal to gme over r plus h square. As we need to find the height, so rearranging the equation, we get r plus h square is equal to gme over gh. Taking square root on both sides, we get r plus h is equal to under root gme over gh. इक्वेशन की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हमने सिर्फ h की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, इसलिए r को हम इक्वेशन के राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाएंगे और वहां जाके ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. Now, after inserting the values and solving the expression, we get the value of height is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 6 meters, which is equal to the radius of Earth. So it means at this height, the value of g would become 1/4 than on the surface of the Earth. Problem number 9 is a polar satellite is launched at 850 km above Earth. Find its orbital speed. एक polar satellite है जो कि अर्थ की सरफेस से 850 किलोमीटर हाइट पे अर्थ के इर्द गिर्द रिवॉल्व कर रही है और हमने इसकी ऑर्बिटल स्पीड कैलकुलेट करनी है. सो द गिवन डेटा इज हाइट इज इक्वल टू 850 किलोमीटर्स. By converting it in meters, we get 0.85 into 10 raised to power 6. So we need to find the orbital velocity, and for this we will use the formula to calculate the orbital velocity, which is v naught is equal to under root gme over r plus h. Inserting the values, we get v naught is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 11 multiplied by 6 into 10 raised to power 24 divided by 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 0.85 into 10 raised to power 6. हाइट के अलावा बाकी सब क्वांटिटीज कांस्टेंट है, जैसा कि ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट, मास ऑफ अर्थ एंड रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ. सो इनकी वैल्यूज आपको याद होनी चाहिए. सो आफ्टर इंसर्टिंग द वैल्यूज एंड सॉल्विंग द अबव एक्सप्रेशन, वी गेट ऑर्बिटल स्पीड इज इक्वल टू 7431 meter per second. Now the last numerical is a communication satellite is launched at 4200 km above Earth. Find its orbital speed. This numerical is similar to the previous one. So the height at which communication satellite is launched is 42,000 km. By converting it in meters, we get 42 into 10 raised to power 6 meters, and we need to find the value of orbital velocity. For this, we will use the formula v naught is equal to under root gme over r plus h. As we know the values of constants, that is gravitational constant, mass of Earth and radius. So after inserting the values of gravitational constant, mass of Earth, radius and height, and after solving the expression, we get the value of orbital velocity is equal to 2876 meter per second. तो बच्चों, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम समझ आ गई होंगी. इफ़ यू स्टिल फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी, यू कैन आस्क योर सब्जेक्ट टीचर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड लिसनिंग. स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ. अल्लाह हाफिज.